I'm going to cut this filler piece out because I'm going to run an intercooler in the front, even if I don't have a turbo yet. Not because I want to flex like that, but I just don't want to have to cut this later after the bumper's painted and potentially screw up the paint. But it will get a turbo at some point. But then I got the side skirts over here ready to go. Let's get this cut out and then we can get this bumper sanded. We'll get these side skirts done too. Get these all prepped and ready. So before you guys give me a bunch of shit for this, I had lent out my plastic welder, so I didn't have much of a choice. I wanted these shaved, and I got a little happy when I was cutting this, so I made a little slit right here and I wanted to take care of it. The best bet when doing bumper repairs is if you got leftover plastic from the actual bumper, you don't have to sit there and guess on what kind of bumper it is. You know what I mean? If it's ABS, whatever. That'll be done in a second. That'll get ground down. See, this is perfectly fine. That's not going on. Alright, so I had a couple of people message me on Instagram and asked me what I meant by sleeving this. This is just a piece of metal that I cut out like that, so when you weld these butt welds together, it won't blow through. I'll show you. So then what you do is you drill your holes, use a cleco, and bam. Then you weld it. And when you want to take it off, you just, too easy. All right, I'm gonna glue pull some of these, or attempt to. God, it's hard to pick it up on the camera. There's one. There are quite a few little dents. Let's see if I can find them. Right there. I don't know, there's like 3 little ones right there. Those will probably block out. But these big ones I'm gonna get with, like right here. These ones I'm gonna pull. Now you see there's an outward dent right there. That was a really big dent inward. So now I'll just tap it down with this and get it good enough for primer. Now I think it's good enough for primer. I'll block it out. It might need a little bit, but nothing crazy. Way better than it was. That dent was about that big. And then I got the same thing to do over here. Oh, remember this dent? See? It's pretty much gone. Not much there. There's a bump. I usually use like, Sims or Exalta or something, but they didn't have any at the store, so he's gonna have to do. Hopefully it works good.